What up? It's the Crate Digger, and I'm going to walk you through very quickly, very simply, how to engage Twitch platform. Go to twitch.tv, and then in the search bar, you can pick the artist that you're looking for. Or if you already know their name, just type in their URL. For me, that's twitch.tv/DJ Crate Digger. Takes you right to their page. You can watch their videos, check out their schedule, all those things. Simple, huh? There you go. So now, if you want to engage in the chat, you have to have a Twitch account. It's very simple. Upper right corner, pick sign up. Enter a username, your password, date of birth, and an email. Very simple. You go back to Twitch. Everything looks the same except for now, when you go to an artist page, especially if they're already live, their chat will show up. And you can now enter comments in the chat. You can engage the chat. You can buy bits and tip and get emotes and all the other things that happen in the Twitch community chat space. Hope to see you there.